up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Whoa, I cannot open the door. Wow. So for today's video, Randy is on his way over to the crib. We're gonna be doing the action clutch stage 3 replacement on the Civic. The clutch is not broken or shattered or whatever the case may be. It is just time to replace it. I got it on my quick jacks. If you guys are looking for a quick jacks, bro, look at it, son. Look how high this thing's in the air. Like, I'm 5'10", and my head is literally like right here. There goes my baby. Ooh, I did it. I've never done a clutch on this specific chassis, so I don't know what to really expect. The RS6 is kind of similar because it has a subframe, but not really because I didn't have the EPS rack, and I don't know if I have to drop the rack with the subframe, or do I keep the rack there and tie it up. There's a lot of stuff on the internet of what to do, the easiest way to do. I think I'm just gonna drop it. That might be easy, disconnect it from the inside and then just drop it with the subframe, and then when I put the subframe back up, it just reconnected. Then go get it aligned if it's off the alignment. I don't know. We'll see when Randy gets here, and we'll start tackling this thing. All right, it's time for action, baby.
A little setback.
Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that little setback we just had, but we're ready to action. I never did it before. Randy did this already. He already dropped the motor out of an 8th gen, so he would know how to attack it. I'm pretty sure intake gotta come off. Things right here gotta come off. I might as well just put my Hasbro motor mount in while I'm here.
Might as well.
Yeah,
something coming out, so might as well put the lower one too.
Yeah, so I guess I'll do.
The lower one's cake though. It's legit one bolt.
Yeah, but people say you gotta shave it down and all that.
I don't know. I never know. Probably. But it's easy though, nigga. You can do that in your sleep.
So intake come off. Everything up top probably gotta come off. This is not a detailed how to do it because I'm just gonna do it, and as it is what it is.
I spend my Mondays like Fridays. I spend my Fridays in a box with my heart on my whining. I put my pinings on pedestals instead of keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada. Set the buildings on fire. Screaming death to designer while we listen to ponder. I'm on a grown man, baby face, kind of a tantrum, bitch. I'm spreading like cancer did. And my father's skeleton. Damn. But I ain't sad that he gone while I'm crying to help with him. I ain't good at embellishing. I'm more better with medicine than a spoonful of sugar. Watch it every
post update. Got the tie rods out, axle, driver side axle out, passenger side axle has a heat shield covering the half shaft bolts. Get that out soon. Pretty much everything up top is to be accounted for, all gone. We're gonna also be installing my rigid collars and Hasbro motor mount. So 3 installs in one goddamn day. Sounds beautiful to me. So let's get back to work.
On school days, you make your place in the world. Don't let them try to tell you otherwise. This is it. Life's like a party out with Pennywise. That's a stroke of my ego out the tip of a fountain. Pen me in, swear to God I love a box break out of. Fuck, come around the mountain, I'ma run straight through it. This be some gray Buick music, like a budget be cooler than ball it out when the economy fruitless and the ecosystem nervous, like a school full of shooters. Keep it all on the loop, like a rapper producer. God watch it and he laughing like it's all a big joke. Maybe that's the way to tackle
the GOAT himself. Done removed the goddamn gearbox with mad oil in it due to my leaky ass valve cover. But I'm waiting to do the valve cover gasket when I get my new valve cover. So at the same time, we're gonna go ahead and get the clutch and stuff all situated. Also do all the motor mounts and the rigid collars.
Don't need a hook for this sermon. I think these words are too perfect. If you seen trauma and heartbreak, best you give it a purpose. If you try, then it's worth it. Truth is, life is uncertain. Looking through all of the
so what we have right here are the Hasbro motor mounts for the 8th gen Si. We got everything we need in that billet aluminum. I think I went with 62As, I believe. I think these are 62As. So it should be good. My 62As are still going strong in the Integra, so, and that's been in there since I've been in K-Swap for like 3 years now. If anything, I just always replace just the inserts. So we're gonna go ahead and keep getting the transmission all cleaned up, all that stuff, and then we'll get the mounts in. You know, we sticking with the best, you feel me? Action clutch. Go argue with your mama. I've had any issues, so that's why I stay with the homies over at Action Clutch. It always worked for me. So, yup. Randy, got any complaints on your Action Clutch, bruh?
Nope.
No, right?
Nope.
Nope. You know what I'm saying?
CMC.
Yeah, his clutch mount took a shit. But anywho, Be sure to use discount code Zosh to save 15% off your clutch kit and flywheel setup today. So I got the stage 3 John right in this piece. Ooh, yeah. And then right here I have the lightweight flywheel. Hold on, mom. Hold on, mom. Oh, hold on. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo-hee-hee. Yes, sir. So we're gonna have some nice revvings, and then we're pretty much ready to tune. Good thing I didn't tune on that stock clutch. My throwout bearing took a poo-poo. Well, it was on its way out. It didn't take a poop, but it was on its way out. This thing was just like, bro, there was so much stuff in here. I'm still cleaning the damn thing, but this is all nice and brand new looking.
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me.
I thought we changed the power too.
Nah, brother. So with the transmission out, we finally get to put in our Hybrid Racing D10 springs, so it'll give us some more notchier, crispier, less sloppy of a gear selector feel.
Well, now that's good.
You ain't gonna clean it off? You gonna just put sand all in my gearbox? This nigga right here just ruthless, bro. I remember one time I ain't put the washer on.
That shit,
Yeah.
that shit, what it gonna get?
No.
I remember that day.
Do not forget to put your washer on the bolt when you tighten it back down. Put the washer on the bolt. Alright? Cool.
Let it be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really never know. When I'm hurting, never let it show. I'm a two-tone, two-phone, two-chain, new thing, lame whip. But you a broke ass, low class, no cash, certified lame nigga. I've been getting to it like I ought to. Couldn't pick, so I bought two. Understand why your chick came. I'm just trying to figure why she brought you. I'm really reppin' and I'm flexed up, and I ain't gotta tell him I'm next up. Sleep on a nigga, they rest up, but I'm up and I'm getting my checks up. Me and the fellas be high, propellers ain't shit you.
What a fiasco. Transmission is in, got the mount in. Now we're gonna do the rigid collars from Blocks. They had their Black Friday sale.
That goes in the back.
That's what's going
On the back over there.
Rigid collars are dope. If you have an 8th gen or an RSX, I highly recommend buying rigid collars.
Alright.
They're absolutely worth it. Yesterday was, in fact, a doozy, bruh. So much stuff happened yesterday. I didn't even want to film out. We were both just tired. We stopped working on the car around like 11 o'clock. There was some, I guess who owned the car before, they actually did work on it because there was a couple strip threads when we were moving bolts and stuff. So I had to run around, go get a tap and die set. Well, not tap die set, just a tap set. Tap some holes. Bruh, it was a doozy, but the rack is up, but I have to loosen out like a couple more mount bolts because I forgot, bruh. A simple 3-hour max clutch job turned into a whole day of BS. But we got the the rigid collars in. That's awesome. I'm probably end up doing this mount by myself, because it's a lot, bruh. To do this mount, it's gonna be a lot. I have to jack the motor side so it don't fall. I don't know. It's a lot going on, but we gotta keep finishing. We got a lot of stuff to do, brother. A lot of stuff to do. Sun is going down. We are, well, you see my Integra. We back from the beach, and now I am just now getting to finish up the car. So I basically took out the evap system that was all right here. It's plugged into the evap canister purge valve, whatever the shit that was. That's gone. The evap hose is right here. I might just cut this shorter and then like plug it. I think I could leave this open, but I think I'm gonna plug. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna have the vent out and the open. To be honest, I mean, I don't know. I gotta do more research on that. My brake booster hose, I gotta get a longer hose that'll reach to there, so I gotta go make sure I keep this check valve. I wish I didn't have to use the brake booster because I'm so used to Integra. I like modulating my brakes. So I don't know, we'll see what's going on. I know I gotta plug this one, and then run the hose from here to there. But the whole purge valve system is deleted. Oh yeah, none of that. Garbage. When you have Honda Flash Pro, you don't need this anymore at all. Maybe where you live, if you're in California, then you might need it, but I'm in Florida. So I don't need it. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the car, get on all fours, and then see if this thing goes into gear. If not, then I'm just gonna... Okay, I can't do that on you. Alright, garage is pretty much cleared out a little bit for me to drive it out. I didn't put the fluid in there yet because I left my funnel at my mom's house, so I don't have the funnel where I can literally just put all the transmission fluid in there that I need. So we're just gonna see if it goes into gear. I'm gonna keep the car in the garage tonight. I'm gonna put the car in gear, try to drive it a little bit. If it engages, we're good. If not, something's messed up. But let's just hope that it goes into gear. So her up. Good. Removing the brake booster line, bruh, that feels like the Integra but a little too stiff. Bruh, that would be perfect. If Honda Developments can come out with like a brake booster delete type thing for the FD2 FA5 stuff, money, son, money. But car goes into gear, clutch feels solid. I'm gonna rebleed it so I can get some more stiffness in it and adjust the pedal to where I have it. Well, it actually catches pretty nice, but I want to, yeah, I think it, rigid collars are in, detent springs are in, Hasport passenger side and, no, driver's side, and the back rear mount is on. I just gotta do this one. I'll probably do that one tomorrow when I'm lazy and bored and stuff. That mount over there gotta go into the car. But all in all, she drives, she's good, she's money. I gotta put gearbox fluid in it, so I gotta keep the car in the garage until tomorrow when I go to my mom's to pick up what I need to pick up. But yeah, that EGR delete valve thing is money, baby. All that space is cleared up. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bracket right here. This one, this thing right here, I don't need that. But yeah, we're money, son. We are money. Look what babe got cooking on the grill, y'all. Look what baby girl got cooking on the grill, playboy. She do it all. Cook, clean, complain, all that. You feel me?